Let me.
Huh?
If I will.
Yes. Are you gonna sing Dora a song?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Wow. Daddy.
What song do you want to sing her, Annie?
B-I-B-I-D.
B-I-B-L-E? Okay, go ahead.
Okay. B-I-B-I-D.
I thought you were singing to her.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. No, it don't got me.
She's just playing with you.
It's just running.
Yeah, she's just running to you. Go get her. Go play with her.
I guess.
Rub her back.
You gonna look at me?
She liked to lick you.
Eating a towel.
Huh?
Eating a towel.
Is eating a towel?
Uh-huh.
It's okay. She's not. She's just playing with you, Kiara.
Oh.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All right. Go play. Go sing her a song. Don't run from her. Stop running.
No, that's running.
You running.
No, that's running too.
Well, stop running and she'll stop. Stop running, Kiara.
Okay.
You gotta stop running.